Listen to that. That's the sound of happiness, Rocky.
Hey there, Squatch Watchers. Gus here, and as always, I'm with my trail partner, Rocky.
And we are on the hunt for the perfect campsite.
Whoa, that root almost got me.
The forest is trying to tell you to slow down, kid. Wait. I smell it, Gus. That's the scent of waterfall mist and premium-grade moss. Now, the H, that's what I'm talking about. Home, sweet home for the night.
Ooh, my shoulders.
Yep.
That's the stuff.
Just hit it with a rock, Gus. That's how our ancestors did it.
Okay, so insert tab A into slot. Z? That can't be right.
See? A little bit of brain, a little bit of brawn. Perfect.
This is the life. Good coffee, no tourists.
You know, Rocky, I was reading a book about anti-gravity the other day.
Oh no. Where is this going, Gus?
It was impossible to put down.
That's a classic, even for you. A terrible, terrible classic.
Okay, one more. Why don't scientists trust atoms?
Because they make up everything.
I know, Gus. You told me last week.
All right, folks, that's it from us. The coffee's warm and the jokes are bad.
Stay safe out there, and as Gus always says, keep it squatchy.
All right, Rocky. Today, we feast like kings.
You know why you should never tell a secret on a farm? Oh, no. Here we go.
Because the potatoes have eyes, the corn has ears, and the beans talk. My turn. What do you call a sad strawberry?
I'm stumped, son. A blueberry.
Listen to that. That's the sound of happiness, Rocky.
Whoa, it looks amazing.
Patience. Good things come to those who wait and tell good jokes.
You're making a crown. For who? Oh, for the king of the forest, of course. Why did the scarecrow win an award?
Wow.
A meal fit for a king.